Welcome to a crucial new module on Pandas. If NumPy is the foundation of scientific computing in Python, Pandas is the universal tool for data manipulation and analysis. It provides high-performance, easy-to-use data structures and data analysis tools, making it the industry standard for handling tabular data. 1. What is Pandas? Pandas is an open-source Python library providing high-performance, easy-to-use data structures and data analysis tools. It is built on top of the NumPy package, meaning that NumPy's fast array operations are integrated into Pandas. Pandas is ideal for working with relational or labeled data, similar to data found in spreadsheet programs or SQL tables. Before importing, we must install Pandas. You open your terminal and run this command. 2. The import convention. Just like NumPy, Pandas has a standard import convention. You should always import it as import pandas as PD. This convention is universally used and ensures your code is recognizable and consistent within the Python data community. 3. Core data structures. Pandas introduces two primary data structures. First is the series. Think of a series as a single column of data, similar to a 1D NumPy array, but with labels called an index. Second is the DataFrame. This is the most common structure, representing data in rows and columns, like a table or spreadsheet. A DataFrame is essentially a collection of series objects that share the same index. We will focus heavily on both of these in the coming lectures. To summarize, Pandas is the key to working with real-world data. Our next lecture 36.02 series. See you there.